Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Windows 11 and OneDrive are updated, you know your Microsoft account, and there's disk space. First, pause syncing from the OneDrive tray-to-stop file activity. Next, close OneDrive and reopen it as administrator so repairs can run without permission blocks. Once done, sign in again if prompted and make sure the account shown matches the folder you expect. This prevents partial sync loops and prepares the client for deeper fixes. Now perform a controlled reset to rebuild the sync database. Run the reset command from Run. The app will restart by itself. After it restarts, check Selective Sync and reselect any folders that were excluded so files repopulate. Then inspect network blockers. Temporarily disable firewall or antivirus rules and verify proxy settings. OneDrive needs direct access to Microsoft endpoints. If the client won't restart, launch OneDrive. Exe manually. These steps finish by forcing a resync for stubborn files. Mark them always keep on this device briefly, then clear the flag to trigger upload. Once that completes, use the built-in OneDrive troubleshooter. If inconsistencies persist, run System File Checker and DISM to repair Windows components that OneDrive depends on. If syncing still fails, unlink the PC from OneDrive and sign in again. This recreates the connection. Key tip: if transfers stall, check for long file paths or forbidden characters. Rename files and retry, because those often silently block sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.